Kurt just rode Kyle's moped, didn't know how to stop it.
Marlboro!
Stop it. It wasn't stopping for me.
It's spinner. Dude, Eric.
Just throwing it.
Yeah, I don't want to break it.
You're an idiot. Give it to me.
Here, let me fix it. Do you want me to test it out, Kyle?
Kyle, drive it!
To the close up of our handiwork.
It's gonna fall. No, it's duct tape.
Dude, I hate my life. I broke that too. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Get in the car, Matt.
Alright. Kyle just spotted a girl in a moped. We're gonna go get her. It's Kyle's wife. There it is. Get this crap on the show. I mean, ruin the show. I mean,
Showed.
here's your.
Dude, I need to.
Here's your dog.
I called my socks Sarks once.
I need to show a huge love for.